our design to wait. I'm going to return to 0, reduce the height, and just in case I'm still going to use it as center, use center alignment, and change this text to so we're going to use kind, and then it's smaller, stretch it out. Let's see. Need something to make it more complex. It's not particularly feeling complex. See, it's not particularly feeling welcome. The text works. So we got to revive us again, right? So what we need now is my goodness, this thing needs to be published quite literally. Let me see. Oh, it will be published. You have it on the stack, Charlie. But look at that, right? Revive us again, 3 days youth family. So that text is quite not accepted yet into the whole field. So we need to go to media, see if there is something we can borrow on shapes. This is taking time. See if there's something we can borrow on shapes to be able to use to welcome that a 3 days program into the design. It's not sitting quite well. Okay, I think this will do it. So we have this, but we still need to get the color right. We have this right. So we need to go to, it's not showing any color. Why is it not showing color manipulation? It's giving us an image. Really? No color. I don't need it. Let's go back to media. Let's see. What else? We don't need something that will take away from what is already behind the main theme. We need something that just allows this one to sit right well, that becoming another distraction. So since we can't find a nice line, always does the trick. And we can't find any fancy stuff on that shape, this always does the trick. So we're going to revive us again. I'm going to zoom in, and then we're going to change the color to one of the colors we've used before. Or you need to select, if you pick the color picker, you may not be able to. Okay. Oh wow. So this is it. Let's see, does it have another line? No. So we'll zoom in a little bit more. And sorry. Now we have to make this thing thin. Too big. Let's stretch it. Let's stop at 3. Let's stop at R. And then let's reduce area so it sits nicely. And then duplicate it and also send it on the top. What we now want to know is, should we leave it this way, or do we force the entire thing to be one line? No, let's leave it this way. Right? No, let's go around the fire. Okay, let's leave it this way. These little things don't seem like it matters, but it really does matter if you want to be able to do something faster with that. Okay, so let's now zoom out. Let's see. Okay. The next thing to change, we're going to change the pictures, but not yet. So the next thing to change is the date. The brief, it says 24th, a Friday, to 26th May 2025. So here we are, Friday. We can simply tap each of the, let me see, hold shift and select each of the elements of this design. Okay, wait. Let me first select the background, shift the text, shift the 5 instead of finish. Background, 5 p.m. Tuesday, November 28th. And then with all of them selected, you are holding shift to select it. I'm going to do Control D to duplicate. Oh, we didn't get the background. Let's undo that. I have background. Can zoom in a bit more if it's a little harder for you to label on what you want. Background. So you have Control Shift 5 p.m. Shift November. Background. Shift 5 p.m. Shift Tuesday. A Tuesday. You have 28th November. You have November. Okay. So let me see. I think I selected all. I think so. Okay, so Control D to duplicate. Then you imagine. Alright, let's just move with that. So because we have to produce Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and have it and duplicate it again. And have it also here. Okay. Then the background from that text duplicate. Get it in the right position, turn it backward. So, okay, duplicate it again. This is where it's supposed to be. Then send it backward. Because this whole thing needs to shift it properly. So that should shift this right. Okay, with that positioned properly, let's start. So we have Friday, FRI, then we have, I think it's 28 there, right? 24th, 24th of May, and AY, it's supposed to be 5 p.m., right? 5 p.m. day, apart from Sunday. Okay, so we have SAT, SAT, should be 25th, it should be May, it should be, it is minus 2, 25th, let's come in a bit, SAT, let's to come in, Friday was to come in, okay, doesn't quite feel like it's aligned properly, okay. November 28th.